for simple steps to help you create a series of AI videos to build a YouTube channel and enable monetization extremely easily. In today's video, I will provide you with a very simple AI video creation process. Even if you have no skills or have never used AI tools, you will be able to do it. If you're just starting out, you don't necessarily have to create complex AI videos with lots of motion. A simple slideshow video with images, voice narration, and background music can still be monetized normally. Here are some channels doing it this way. They only use images, background music, and text with simple transitions. The high views and subscriptions prove that the videos can still trend normally, so when you begin, feel free to create these types of videos, it won't affect anything. In this video, I will show you how to do this in the simplest and cheapest way, but still ensure quality. The process will consist of 4 steps: create the script, create images, convert text to voice, and finally, edit the video. For those who want to learn how to make more professional and complex AI videos, don't worry, in future videos I will guide you step by step. Before we begin, I also want to remind you of this. Tools are there to assist, but the most important thing is how we think. Just using the same tools doesn't mean the results will be the same. Get familiar with the tools, and gradually, you will understand how they work and come up with the most accurate prompts. Let's get started. First, let's create the video script. There are 3 important factors to creating quality video content. The first is choosing the keyword. When starting out with foreign views, you can choose hotkeys like history, spirituality, street documentaries, pets, etc. These are topics that many people have shared and worked on already. After a while, as you gain more experience, you can start exploring and evaluating the potential of these keys. The more people share a key, the harder it becomes to trend. You'll have to work harder to find niche keys, which largely depends on experience. When selecting a topic, besides it having many viewers, you also need to have sufficient knowledge and the ability to make videos about it. The second element is identifying your audience. Who will watch this video? What are their characteristics and interests? Understanding this is crucial for crafting the right prompts for AI because videos for children are completely different from those for adults or seniors. The third element is the emotion you want to convey in the video. Is this an inspirational video, a storytelling video, a funny video, or a horror video? This will affect the style, colors, and tone of the video, so pay attention to it. Once you've determined these elements, you can start using the AI tools. To create the script, the most familiar and versatile tool is ChatGPT. But you can also refer to other tools like Gemini, Claude, or Grok. I find Gemini does a good job in writing videos that require a lot of emotion and long content. Claude, on the other hand, has a more natural and relatable language. Which tool to use depends on personal preference. I'm just giving you the process, you don't have to use the same tool as me to get the same result. Regarding how to write prompts, if you think you can simply write a YouTube script on topic X and be done, stop right there. From my own experience and learning from others, I suggest following this model. 1 is to give a role so that AI knows what role to play. 2 is the task to be performed. 3 is the context, including the information and situations necessary for AI to understand the request correctly. 4 is the argument, requiring analysis, comparison or verification before answering. 5 is the output format requirement. 6 is to set a limit type so that AI does not answer ramblingly. After ChatGPT gives the result, make sure to read and check it again. That's why I say you need some knowledge of the topic you're working on so you can double-check the content. As for the content itself, don't rely too much on AI, because there will still be some margin of error. What's important is how it helps you refine the content and combine tone, which will be the difference between a polished video and mass-produced ones. After finalizing and editing the script, the next step is to create images and video. In the beginning, prioritize the cheapest tools, the more free the better. For example, since Sora only supports ChatGPT Plus and Pro, I just create the image from the free ChatGPT. Of course, it will limit the number of images you can generate per day, probably only a few. But for a 5 to 10 minute video, a few images are not enough, so you can bypass this by creating multiple ChatGPT accounts. Just buy a batch of emails, no need for old ones, as long as you can log into the ChatGPT account successfully. To avoid detection by the platform, log these emails on an anti-detect browser profile instead of a Chrome profile. Each anti-detect browser profile will have its own set of parameters, so the platform will detect that these accounts are logged in on different devices. However, if you want to do this long-term, it's better to invest in a ChatGPT Pro or Plus account, as it supports a lot of features, from script creation to image and video generation. You can invest in your own account or share it. Besides ChatGPT, you can also refer to other tools like Leonardo, Pixlr, or Midjourney. Midjourney's quality is top-notch, but it's expensive, so I would suggest passing on it. For Leonardo and Pixlr, if you want a cheaper option, just follow the method I mentioned above, creating multiple accounts to use the trials. Next, in step 3, I will create the voice from the script. Among the AI voice generation tools on the market today, 11 Labs is still the best.
The universe whispers its secrets, waiting only for a heart that is open enough to listen.
There are quite a few cheap crack tools, but the downside is that the voice lacks emotion or intonation if you want to do a conversation style. If you're just telling a simple story, using a crack tool is fine, it won't affect the emotional flow of the story. Most crack tools have the popular voices from 11 Labs, so you can select the voice from there and generate it using the crack tool. 11 Labs offers a 10K credit trial, which can generate at least one 10-minute video. You can try it first and then compare. For video editing, you only need to use CapCut, it's enough. It's easy to use, with many templates, features, effects, and sounds that are great. CapCut syncs data, so you can edit directly on your phone. It also supports AI-generated subtitles in the paid version, and the bundle pricing is quite reasonable, so it's worth investing in. Actually, making AI videos quickly is fast if you prioritize quantity and mass-produce short videos with lower quality but more of them. On the other hand, if you're making long videos, focusing on each scene, dialogue, and effect, it will take much longer to complete. So don't listen to people online who claim they can make hundreds of videos a day and make you feel FOMO. If you're just starting, first focus on mastering the process. Then, you need to continuously test and update AI tools to see which works best for you. People who make hundreds of videos a day have already optimized their process, possibly with automation to assist. What I'm sharing with you is the basic process, from script creation, image creation, video creation, finding voice, to editing. Feel free to refer to this process and optimize it to suit yourself. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support me by liking and subscribing to the channel. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.